Hey everyone, this is Tim here from Your Six Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to use a USB so you can use Sentry Mode and Dashcam on your Tesla vehicle. So with mine, it actually came with it. So what we want to do is go to our glove box and open up our glove box. Go to Controls, tap glove box right here and open this up. And if you can see, way in the back, there currently is a USB plugged in there. So if you got a USB at home or something like that, get a very large one. Maybe like 128 gigabytes, 512 would be really nice if you could do that. So we can just close this up now. And then what we want to do is go to the screen and tap Controls. Going down to Safety now. Go under Safety and go to Format USB. And format it. This will delete all the data off the USB. And it will format it exFAT so you can use it with your dash cam now. So if you got a larger drive, and getting this drive in is actually really hard because you got such a small area to work with. So if you got like a child or something like that with small hands, they'll be able to get that a lot easier than probably you. So it's quite a challenge. Make sure you format this too. And then you can see that it's going to be plugged in when you can see the amount right here. So it says 28 gigabytes, 115 gigabytes, so that means it's currently working. So good to go. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out.